The woodpecker. Woodpeckers are some of the loudest birds around. Not all woodpeckers look the same. Most have 2 toes on the front of their feet and 2 on the back. Their tongues are long enough to curl all the way around their heads. Woodpeckers have strong pointed beaks. Their bottom tail feathers are strong and stiff. Most woodpeckers weigh only about 1 pound. These birds can be found all over the world. They live in wooded areas everywhere but in Australia. Their homes are often made in the tops of trees in forests. Most woodpeckers will make holes in trees with their beaks to build their nests. Some will find holes and use them. Different types of woodpeckers like different trees, but many woodpeckers prefer cypress trees and redwoods. A woodpecker's daily diet consists of different foods depending on the type of woodpecker. Common foods include insects, fruits, and nuts. Like many birds, woodpeckers enjoy eating worms. Woodpeckers are mainly omnivores. They use their beaks to hit bark on trees to expose bugs, ants and beetles usually, which they then eat. Some woodpeckers have been found to eat sap from trees. Others eat mostly acorns. Female woodpeckers produce about 4 babies each season. Males and females work together to dig holes out of trees to provide a nest for their babies. Babies remain in their eggs for about 2 weeks until they hatch. When they hatch, they are blind and do not have any feathers. One parent goes out and finds food to bring back to the nest, while the other stays behind to protect the eggs. Babies usually leave the nest after about 30 days. Woodpeckers are known for their repetitive tapping on tree trunks to expose insects from tree bark. Some species tap on trees to communicate or attract other woodpeckers. Woodpeckers can tap more than 10,000 times a day. They are usually not very protective of their territory. The woodpecker population is generally not considered to be threatened, but their habitat in some areas has been reduced due to woodcutting and deforestation. 2 species of these birds are considered officially endangered by the government. Still, the overall woodpecker population is balanced.